Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I hope everybody is doing well today. Thank you for checking out my video. But before we get started, go ahead and do me a favor right now and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Alright, for everybody else, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I'm here to talk about my #1 marketing system that I use to help me with all the biz ops that I actually promote, all my affiliate programs. I use the Conversion Pros as my #1 full turnkey marketing system. Okay, it's a full suite of marketing tools. And what's so wonderful about it, you can get started for free. Okay, they have a 2-week trial where you don't even have to put in your credit card or any of that. This way you can actually test the system out for yourself, see how user-friendly it is. Go ahead and get you some leads going into your capture pages and just take full advantage and get access to everything, okay, for the 14 days. So I want you to check it out. I'm going to log into my back office so you can take a look at it, but it includes landing page builder, CRM, okay, where you can store all your leads are going to be back here. Automated emails. The texting is not functioning right now, but hopefully that'll come back soon. You can buy leads from the back office as well. These are people that have actually raised their hand and said they're interested in a business opportunity. Okay, I'll show you that as well. So you can do that. Then we've got testimonies as well. And as I stated, you get a 14-day free trial, no obligation, no credit card required. Done for you systems, drag and drop, capture pages, unlimited autoresponder. I mean the whole 9. Okay, so I'm gonna log into my back office so I can show you where those features are. But you can go ahead and go to my site, check it out. Go to www.learnwithpandora.com. So as you can see right here, look, unlimited emails, unlimited contacts, unlimited campaigns, landing pages, share codes. When you have a team, if you build a page, you say, well, everybody that comes in, I'm going to give them my share code. They copy it and boom, they have replicated the page that you created. Okay, that keeps everything simple and duplicatable. For the average person, they can do this. Okay, marketing videos, URL shortener, invoice creator. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. Okay, so let me log in, let you check it out, see how simple it is to navigate. All right. Okay, so I'm in my back office. As you can see, it says welcome to the TCP members portal. To my left here, landing pages, webinar builder, get started. Click that button and you get started. But the suite itself, what's included? Everything I just went over. Custom domains. Also, you can create you some custom subdomains. Okay, contact manager, member manager. You can see all your members. Your autoresponder is already here. They have autoresponders already created. You can broadcast. They have a broadcaster. You can send an email broadcast every day to your list of people, of subscribers. Webinar builder, QR code builder, okay? Invoicer, we talked about that. A link rotator. That's pretty hot, okay? Tiny URLs. You can shorten any URL you have. You go back here in the back office and shorten it and make it shorter instead of those long affiliate links. You can do that back here and shorten it. We just talked about the share codes, landing pages. Okay, so you can have share codes for your landing pages too. Okay, that's what we just talked about. The autoresponder as well. So if I've created an autoresponder for one of my biz ops, I have a share code. I can give you that. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Okay, so everything is user friendly. Let's look at the leads. Okay, you can order leads. You may say, well, what kind of leads? Biz op leads. So you go back here. Matter of fact, they've got a sale on them right now. Right here, click lead type. Well, what type of leads do you want? You want the ones that promote TCP, or you have a business opportunity you're already in and you want those personal leads. These are typically the ones I select. So if you select that one, or what category? Biz op, male and female. Or do you just want female only? Do you want the live interview leads? Do you want some travel leads? Do you want the male only biz op leads? Okay, we have all that back here. So if we select the male and female, you can get 50 leads for $39.60. They're on sale right now. Okay, and then it asks you, well, do you want it to go to one of your autoresponders? I have that already set up. Okay, so you can just tie that right into an autoresponder. Those leads will go straight in there. When after you purchase them, you go here, make your purchase. Okay, very simple. And then they show up, okay, in your back office. Okay, it's very cool. Okay, so they pretty much show up immediately in your back office. So you can order leads from back here. So you literally can sign up for this system today for free. Go back here and just purchase your leads and start promoting one of these capture pages. Send those folks to your lead capture page or whatever business opportunity you have. Okay, so you can spend, let's say, $39.60, $76.50. Get those leads. You get the name, email address, and phone number. Okay, let's say you pick up the phone, you call them, or you text them. And when you text them, let's say you send a text, but you send them to one of these capture pages. Okay, the system has back here, or you create your own. Depending on what industry you're in, we have capture pages for all the industries. Hang on a second. Okay, so if you're in a weight loss business, fitness, medical hemp, travel, coffee, makeup, eyelash, skincare, crypto, money lifestyle, women, work-at-home moms, stocks, forex, water, whatever it is you're in, there's a page back here. Okay, I'm going to show you a page I created for a health and wellness business I'm a part of. I created it back here. Let me show you. Okay, here's a page I created. Living with inflammation and pain, all organic products. You can go check it out at www.readyforhealing.com. Okay, all this was done from TCP, the Conversion Pros. Okay, Plants Over Pills. Okay, so just pick a page, plug in your affiliate link for the business you're promoting. Your autoresponder is already here as well. Let me show you where the training is. If you come all the way down, you click training. Okay, because you may say, well, I don't really know how to do that. Well, these videos will show you. It's very user-friendly, very simple. That's how I learned to maneuver in it. Okay, system training right here. Then we also have affiliate training. Okay, so you will go to system training. And let's say you say, well, how do I send an email blast? Here it is right here, a 2-minute video. Click that, watch it. Tells you exactly how to blast to your list. Okay, how to connect buttons, how to connect a form. I mean, everything is right here at your fingertips, guys. How to import leads into the system. You can do that as well. Okay, it's a plethora of features back here. Okay, this is an awesome system. So not only that, you're able to, so you have a system, you can give it away for free. And then when you upgrade, you pay the $50. That allows you to make commissions. Yes, you can make commissions. Okay, once someone actually pays their $50, it's $50 a month to have this system. And when you refer others, when they decide to pay the $50 and they upgrade, you make $25. This company pays out every Friday. And as long as the person keeps their membership month after month after month after month, you make $25. You make $25, the company makes $25. So it's a business partnership. So that's pretty fair, right? Every Friday they pay out like clockwork. All right. So let me let the CFO just give you a snippet, Dave Dubs, of something about the system here, and then I'm going to show you some results that I've made with this system. Okay. So let's go see what he has to say.
Hey, listen, there's not a lot of deals out there that you can join 100% for free that want to prove that it works. There is no way we can charge you, okay? We do not ask for a credit card. We do not ask for any banking information. There is no way that we can charge you unless that you like our system and then you actually want to upgrade. Okay? And that's the only way we can charge you. So why wouldn't you do it? Okay? And as a free member that took a trial membership, you get 100% access. Meaning you can use the system like we're doing now, go out there and get tons of affiliates that you're going to get paid on. You can use the system to build any business that you're in right now. You can literally go build capture pages or use our pre-built capture pages. Go get tons and tons of leads, even export those leads. And if you don't like the conversion pros, you just generated tons of leads for free. That don't cost you any money. You get to have access to all the training. You can even go in the back office and order and buy leads right now. Get our wholesale price that we give to customers, which you can't get that price on leads anywhere on the internet for the quality leads that we sell. Download them all under the free membership if you want to, okay? You get 100% access for 14 days. And then after that, you don't want it, no big deal, don't upgrade, okay? So basically what you're doing is you're taking away any negatives. Why wouldn't somebody want to get a free membership? Why wouldn't somebody go ahead and do that? Because there's no downside for them. You can't charge them, and they get a bunch of upside. They can go generate as many leads as they want. They get to play with the tools and whatnot. Okay, so it's very, very powerful to get that trial to upgrade.
Okay, so you heard it from the CFO. All right, so why wouldn't you try a system for free? So basically, and you can start this as a business. If you don't have a business, you say, well, I've been looking for something, but I don't really have any money to spend to really get a business started. You can use the Conversion Pros, give away the system for free. When people upgrade, spend the $50, you make $25. By the way, let me show you. It comes with 4 websites, affiliate websites they give us that we use to promote TCP. Okay, you want to give somebody a free trial? Let me show you where you get those websites. So I clicked on affiliate. Once I clicked on affiliate, I go to my websites. You click here, move this over, and as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. What's it? 1, 2, 4. Yeah, 4 sites in here, right? So you would just copy paste the links and give them out. Like for example, here's one. I really like this one. Give it a second to load. This one right here, embrace the power of free. Okay, so you got 4 websites you can promote for the affiliate portion of the system. Okay, so for free, guys, you can get started. Now let me show you some results that I have made since I have started with the system. Okay, I just covered this up here, but right here. Okay, so you can make commissions with this system. Alright, guys, so go check out that link. I'm gonna put the link below, www.learnwithpandora.com. Well, let's go look at this real quick before I let you go.
Welcome. You are about to see a life-changing system. I know, you heard this before, your email box is probably full of offers, you probably get bombarded on Facebook and every other social network. Seems like a new deal every single week that's ready to change your life. You probably even fell for some of those and paid out a lot of money only to fail miserably. Well, this is different because we don't want your money. Yes, you heard that right. Put your wallet away. So the big question is, can you afford free? Everyone can afford free, and that's the beauty of this system. You are about to find out about the TCP lifestyle system. This system has been around over 2.5 years and has created tons of success stories in over 49 countries. We have paid out an obscene amount of money and changed a ton.
Okay, so this is what it shows. So this is a nice page. It does get a lot of leads in here. All right. So with that being said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I look forward to you joining me inside of the Conversion Pros, guys. Get your free system today. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Typically when people join, I go ahead and send them a welcome email. Okay, so you'll get that from me as well. And I'd like to speak with you so that we can figure out which direction you want to go. Okay, with TCP. See you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day. Be safe out there.